Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I've got some very bullish news for you guys. It's a very bullish day in the market. Significant, so significant. It's going to be one of those days you look back in history and you're like, wow, that was the point. So Elon Musk has endorsed Bitcoin. I'm going to break it down for you. Before I do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, I uploaded my interview with Ryan Radloff earlier. Be sure to check it out. He's the CEO of Kingdom Trust. They are providing a way for you to trade Bitcoin and crypto tax deferred in a retirement account. They also provide crypto custody to the likes of Fidelity. So you don't want to miss that interview. Be sure to check it out. Guys, Bitcoin right now pumping. It is over $38,000. And take a look at what CoinMarketCap did here in support of Wall Street Bets. They put a line item here for Wall Street Bets as the _1 on the market cap. I love that. We've been, of course, talking about that here on the channel. So Bitcoin going crazy right now. Ethereum over $1,400. The market has green across the board. And take a look at this huge green candle. And this is because of who? Elon. Yesterday we talked about, is this a breakout or a fake out, right? Well, Elon made sure it was a breakout to the upside. Huge green candle, guys. And we are headed to 50,000. 50,000 is coming in within at least a week or a couple of weeks. It's happening. So even Dogecoin was pumping. It flipped Chainlink last night. It was going crazy. And this was because of the Wall Street Bets guys. And of course, we know Elon has pumped Dogecoin in the past. I think more of a joke, but this time he ain't joking, guys. Here it is in his profile, hashtag Bitcoin. He made that update last night, and then he tweeted, in retrospect, it was inevitable. Wow, guys. So what does this mean? You may be like, okay, so he put Bitcoin in his profile. Who cares? Well, remember who he was speaking to just back in December, right? Where he tweeted this meme. Me trying to live a normal, productive life and then Bitcoin being the distraction. Oh, man, I love it. And then Michael Saylor replied, if you want to do your shareholders a $100 billion favor, convert the Tesla balance sheet from USD to BTC. Other firms on the S&P 500 would follow your lead. In time, it would grow to become a $1 trillion favor. Elon replies, are such large transactions even possible? He knows. I think he's just having a conversation here. Michael replies, yes, I have purchased over 1.3 billion in Bitcoin in the past months and would be happy to share my playbook with you offline from one rocket scientist to another. Wow, guys. Wow. Now, remember, I interviewed Michael Saylor himself just 2 weeks ago, and you remember I asked him the questions, and he was, he couldn't really speak to it. He was pretty much laughing it off. But we knew that they spoke offline, and things are moving in the right directions, guys. So what does that mean now? Elon, we can expect to see him put a Bitcoin on Tesla and SpaceX balance sheet, and potentially accept Bitcoin as a payment for people to buy Teslas. So I'm interested to see how he also impacts Bitcoin mining, because he's doing a lot of things with renewable energy and the future of energy and so on and so forth. So this is a huge endorsement. Those of you who hate Bitcoin and you don't hold Bitcoin, it's your loss. That is why I diversify. I hold Bitcoin. I've been accumulating it because I see the writing on the wall. I've spoken to, come on, Michael Saylor. I've spoken to CZ, Tyler, Cameron Winklevoss, Rick Edelman, all these folks, these OGs in the market. And it's not so much my conversations that I have with them on the record. I'm telling you guys, it's off the record. I can't share some of it, obviously, but it's before and after the interviews are completed. And I'm more bullish on Bitcoin than I've ever been. That's not to say I'm not holding other cryptos. I have Ethereum. I'm bullish on Ethereum. I'm still bullish on XRP. Yes, I know some of you are going to be like, oh, dude, XRP. Dude, XRP is being positioned to one of the largest use case, and I believe they're going to come out with this from this SEC lawsuit. Okay, but do your own research, right? But at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the brand. It is the store of value gold 2.0. And we are seeing real world adoption. So regardless of your feelings or your maximalism, the facts are here. And these different companies are going to start putting Bitcoin on their treasury reserve. I told you guys I'm interviewing the mayor of Miami next week. He's been talking about putting Bitcoin on the city's treasury reserve. So if you got companies, cities and states, local and governments and central banks start doing this, Bitcoin can easily go to $1 million. So certainly $100,000, we're going to hit that. This just as Elon Musk news alone, right, is going to send it to a higher price. So I'm not saying million this year. Don't get me wrong, million in the years to come, but we're going to break 100,000. I personally believe that. And even more, we talked about this yesterday, Ray Dalio is on his way in. He's in the capitulation phase, talking about Bitcoin is one hell of an invention. So his learning and understanding of the technology continues to grow, and we're going to see him take a position soon. We saw Paul Tudor Jones, we saw Stanley Druckenmiller, Bill Miller, all these billionaires. So it's happening. And the other factor, which I talked about yesterday, Coinbase is about to go public. It's confirmed, and they're going to pump Bitcoin like crazy. And especially with what's happening in the stock market with the GameStop Robinhood situation, it's going to bring more attention to crypto. A lot of money is going to leave the stock market and go into Bitcoin and crypto. Guys, that's why I said today is one of those, or even just this week, a significant moment in time for crypto. This is very, very big. I hope you grasp the situation at hand and what's taking place. So like I said, I think 50,000 incoming. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Are you excited by this Elon news? Big things are ahead, and I certainly think 100,000 is going to be easy now. Watch Elon start doing what he's doing, putting Bitcoin on SpaceX and Tesla's balance sheet, and then many other companies are just going to jump in. And not just big companies, guys. Remember, I've interviewed small and medium-sized businesses like Tahini's Restaurant. They're a small business in Canada. They put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Snappa, a medium-sized business, they put Bitcoin on their balance sheet. These are not like huge enterprise S&P 500 public companies, but if you have the combination of both enterprise, small, and medium-sized businesses doing this, what do you think is going to happen to the price? And remember the Bitcoin scarcity aspect, the supply and demand economics. We're going to see some new all-time highs. I'm not lying to you guys. I'm not making anything up here. This is the facts in front of our face. My goodness. And like I said, I've talked to these people. I've interviewed them and what they're doing. So I've done my research. I've heard it directly from the horse's mouth, so to speak. So let's see how things progress, guys. And certainly I'm expecting 50,000 very soon. So guys, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, hit the like, well, I already told you to hit the like button. Very excited about this news, and I'll talk to you guys later.